What we got here is Gary contemplating whether he should take his new avalanche in the mud or not. He's been here for a good 25 to 30 minutes. He still hasn't decided whether he wants to do it or not. Now, what's the decision?
No, I'm waiting for him on the other side.
You're gonna do it, huh? There's Gary's avalanche ready to go. What do we think? Watch out for the running boards. Get on it! The avalanche is stuck. Oh yeah, that's a fucking half-ton Z71 it looks like from here. Definite Chevrolet product here. Getting ready to pull a station wagon out of the mud. He went against my judgment. I told him for a roll. Avalanche. We got a rock road, but Greg doesn't want to chip his truck, and I don't blame the guy. Some could say, how did this happen? The only thing I have to say, we think that all-American thing called alcohol. Without it, it wouldn't be possible. We have a Z and his avalanche, which is stuck in the mud, by the way. And he said he wouldn't have a problem. This looks like a problem. I think somebody better start pulling. I see Greg's truck moving, but not Gary's avalanche. Ooh. I hear Yes, this is what we're looking at right now. Mud.